budding coach, Black Phoenix, checking in. And today I wanted to talk to you about a brief subject. Products over talent, family. Products over talent. I want to highlight that again today because for those who think they're going to work and get rich, work a job, work in their own business, you're not going to work and get there. But you can work, get the money, and invest to get there. It's about investments. It's about using your work ethics, your skill set, and creating products, family. Products over talent. I got to say that again. Products over talent. I was thinking about Master P and Snoop Dogg alliance that they got with this Snoop cereal. And at first when they came out, they actually had a different name. They was gonna call it Fruit Loops, you know, with a Z on the end. And then they had some problems with Fruit Loops, saying that it was gonna remind people of their product or switch people over, so they just named it Snoop. But they had a little issue, and the issue was the product's name, fam. That's it. But they still had a good product, fam. It's all about the product, fam. And I'm gonna say that because once you have a good product, fam, you can put it on the shelf. You can put it on the shelf. You can put it in the store. It's gonna sell itself. All you have to do is let people know it's available. Once you got a good product, all you have to say, hey, it's on this store. Hey, it's on that store. Hey, it's over here, and it's gonna do its thing. Now, if the product isn't a good product, it's going to take a whole lot of more advertisement and campaigns to get people to go out and get it, you know. But if it's good, though, it'll sell itself, fam. So come up with a good product. You know, come up with a good product, fam. It will sell itself. I'm an 80s baby. I'm 43 years old. I spent 11 years of my life incarcerated, family. And one thing I have realized up to this point, it's truly products over talent, family. During the crack epidemic era, it was a product, fam. And a lot of people got a chance to make money off of a product. The government made more money, but I got a chance to see a lot of our people who ain't never had nothing in life get an opportunity to have something because of a product. Now, we know that this product was detrimental to our people, and it was detrimental to our culture, but that product produced wealth, though, for a lot of people. Now they got a new product. They got the marijuana products. At one time, just like the alcohol products, they said, no. Just and now it's in stores. So we have to realize where we at, family. We're in America. And in America, over here, they sell products. And they'll sell you a product that they won't sell to other countries. It's like the testing ground, the guinea pig soil, so to speak. So, family, if we're going to get ahead and we're going to get somewhere in this country, we got to have products, family. We got to have good products. Now, surely you can just come up with a product, because this country has let us know that you can just come up with something, and even though it might hurt somebody, you still can make a whole lot of money and say, my bad, when it's all over, and start popping up centers and things to help people heal from the damages you caused. We don't want to do that. That's America's way to do it. But we do want to have a product, family. And the more I think about it, fam, the more it's relevant that we come up with a product, fam. Come up with a product. I don't care what you do, what type of skill you are into. Come up with a product to put on the shelf. Something to sell. Something that's essential. You know how they say during the pandemic, they said only essential workers. Come up with a product that's essential, that everybody needs, at a reasonable price, or whatever the price need to be, you know. But it's products over talent, fam. Products don't talk back. Products don't get hungry. Products don't complain, fam. I'm like Master P. The only thing the product wants you to do is put it in the right location and then say, hey, I'm going to do the rest. You sit me over here, I got you, fam. You know what I mean? So At the end of the day, fam, we in America. And here is products over talent, fam. I teach people how to weld. But not only do I teach them how to weld, family, I'm an entrepreneur. So I'm going to teach them how to use that skill set and make some products. Because products is what's going to get us free in America. Hold on.